We are up early and we are heading down to a place called Bendalong Point on the south coast of New South Wales. We are heading with some other family members. Bendalong Point is about 3-hour drive south of Sydney, and today we will be driving through some of the area that was affected by a massive bushfire.
Gracie, you enjoying your trip? Yeah. Sariana, are you enjoying your trip?
Yeah. But when are we gonna finish?
Josefa? Asleep. Some more there.
Now we're at the place called Berry, and it's really smoky here due to the bushfire around the area. Visibility is quite difficult now, so we'll see what's ahead of us.
Bula! Hi Sala! Hi Josefa! How are you, Josefa?
How are you, Josefa?
Good. Gracie, how you doing?
Good.
Sariana?
Are you kids excited?
Yeah!
What are you most excited about doing, Sala? Swimming? Sariana?
Swimming.
Bessie?
Spending time with my family.
Boom! That's my girl.
And Josefa, what about you?
Eating.
Yeah?
Eating and sleeping. Kana mode. Finally, we have arrived. We are here in Bendalong. Now, I just came out from the office. We already checked us in. There you go. Let's see what outside looks like. There you go. Hey, look at this here. Huh? So it's a fun day today, eh? Yeah, we are now here at our campsite. All the kids are pumped up. It's time to set up. Now both the tents are up. They took longer than I expected. Let me give you a tour of our home for the next 3 days. This is one of it. Hey, that's my son's cot. My 2 girls' bed. This is their room, and this is our room. That's Salah. And there's a big one right here. Got 2 rooms too. And this is kind of a room/kitchen for the next couple of days.
We have chocolate. What is he doing?
So far it's been a great day for the kids. They're enjoying the first day. Now they had lunch. They had lunch. What was it for lunch? Sausage?
Hot dogs.
There you go, hot dog and the bread. Right. Good one, Eva. Dora and Salah. Good one, Dora and Salah. Now they are getting ready to go to the beach, and we have to take them down. Like I said, so far it's been a great day. We'll see you at the beach. That's a nice spot. Woi, san arwan Mickey Bamboy. Arwan Mickey Bamboy. Nada mehr.
Can't get more Aussie than.
Day 2 of camping. Early morning visit from Mrs. Kangaroo.
How do you know it's Mrs.?
Oh, it's Mr. maybe.
What are you doing?
Well, we woke up with this guy scattering around the tent.
It's chips.
Fish and chips.
It's a chips.
Now we are stranded at the camp. Dim
Cassava.
sum, frying some cassava.
Thank you for the food.
Good morning. We just woke up. We're having unexpected visitors this morning. Basically came to visit us and try to look for food as well. Here we go. I'll show you who is our visitors. There you go. There were many of them last night, though bigger ones, but this is a bit tiny. So we fed him and now he's off. He's probably coming back tonight. So just an update, today is the first day of 2020 and we'll literally be surrounded by fire. The area is all covered by bushfire. We were supposed to leave today. Unfortunately, we've been surrounded by bushfire. There's literally bushfire around us and we couldn't get out. There's only one way in and only one way out. That's the problem. That's why we couldn't get out. Now we don't have enough supply for today and tomorrow, or we don't know when the road will be open. They have closed the road. They told us to stay where we are, and we couldn't get out now. Like we're stuck. We're literally stuck. We still have some supplies. We still have some food. We brought our fishing rod. We're gonna go down fishing. We have 10 kids to feed and 3 family. As you can see here, it's all bushfire. When we were at our camp, we were looking from our camp this morning. This place was full of flame. Luckily, there's a stop now. On the other side, we couldn't get through the other side because right now, we'll see what we can do and we'll decide where to go or what to do. But at the meantime, the only source of food is fishing. So, and all our phones are dead, and luckily I got my phone charged. So we'll get you updated on this situation. Now we are looking for a spot to fish. Yeah. Saya darah rem nak eh?
Ubin lang sa tangan?
Iya.
Ako nga sa umbin.
Iya.
Ito lang, sa sirusumpan ko naman. Iya, sama. Ito ito ba ang ginagawa?
Must say these people are fortunate that the fire didn't get to them. Last night, there was 5 houses been burned down just opposite where we were staying, on the other side of the lake. At this point, we are relying on Mother Nature, so we're trying to do some fishing, see what we can get, and maybe have time for dinner. One thing kid doesn't understand, that we're in the situation right now. All they know is we still having fun out here. We're still on a picnic day, but reality, only the adult understands. How about you, Dora? Eva, are you eating or not? Oh, you haven't had it yet? That's a pretty thick smoke from the massive fire just behind us. When you look at this side, it's really dark. And just over on the other side of the beach, it's pretty bright. So this is a really intense situation right here. We were being told to evacuate. We're on the beach now. The road to Sydney has been closed, and the road to Aladala has also been closed. So technically the Princess Highway has been closed, so we've been stuck here. Look at those thick smoke up there. It's massive smoke. Now you can all see the sun now. It's been idle for almost half an hour. That's a pretty thick smoke up there. Look, you can see the sun now. Well done. All right, no breakfast there. We're just gonna pack up and go home, okay? No breakfast, no lunch. You sing that song, you sing like it. Bring me the pancakes. Bring the pancake up. Pick it up. So hopefully this will be our last day here. We're looking forward to go home. Making Fijian pancakes for breakfast.
Every day is Fijian pancakes.
Every day is Fijian pancake. Now we are finally getting out of the camping area. It took us more than 2 days to get out. We've been here before New Year, and now we are going past the New Year. We're supposed to leave on the 1st. Now it's the 3rd now. We couldn't get out because of the massive bushfire around the area. You can see behind me there's a recent bushfire here that's been blocking the road for 24 hours. There's a long queue of land behind me and a long queue of land in front of us. So we hoping that we're gonna get through this and then we'll hit the highway and then direct home. But if there's anything, they'll just stop us and then they can send us back and wait for another 2 or 3 days, which is sucks, but we'll see what happens.
Crazy, huh?
This side too.
He's the hero who's helping us. On your boys. Manana, you bloody legends. Jeez. I think we might have to put windows up in a minute. It's quite smoky ahead.
Finally, I'm glad and thankful to be home. I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep in my own bed. But before that, I need to unpack this car. Thanks for watching. God bless.